Hey guys, Ryan here. I got my son David with me. We're knocking out a little weekend project. A couple weeks ago, my wife was going through the drive-through car wash, and she noticed that her rear wiper arm was broken when she exited. So what we did, we got on the Amazon, we ordered a new part, and here we are. We're going to show you how to change it. Come on with us. First thing you do is it's got a 1/2-inch nut on it. All right, once we got into this, we found out that this arm does not come off easily, and it typically requires a special tool. So we got a windshield arm puller. So here it is in the picture. Basically what you do is you fit it around it. You get that adjustment where it grabs on good in the back. And then you get it centered up and you lower and you tighten that nut down until it pushes it off. And there you have it. Dave, grab the other. All right, David, start that nut. Hang on, wait a second, let me drop it down just a little bit. All right, go ahead. Go ahead and tighten that down till it gets snug. Remember not to tighten it too much because it's metal on plastic and it'll break that housing. Next, we're going to reattach the wiper arm. David, go ahead and fit that in there. Push it in until it clicks. That's it. Okay, take that trash. And the last piece is just a plastic housing that covers up that bolt, snaps right in, and that's it. So no demonstration is complete without seeing the final product working. So here you go. Everything's back together, working as it should be. Thank you.